Is my camera automatically smoothing my skin? Hey everybody, I have really no idea what I'm about to do, but we're on this adventure together. A long time ago in a continent far away, I did a video featuring Lethal Cosmetics, who were quite new at the time. I think like they just had a few lipsticks. First I'm putting on this matte liquid lipstick called Pandemonium by Lethal Cosmetics, but it's been many years and they have force now. They have come a long way. I couldn't be more proud. They've done a collaboration with the Conjuring films. It's like a franchise, isn't it? It's a whole lot of films, and there was a new one quite recently. I have all of it and we're going to do something with it, and I don't know what yet. Here's an embarrassing confession. I haven't seen the Conjuring film. I haven't seen any of the films in the Conjuring franchise. I haven't seen The Nun, which is part of it. And actually, I don't really watch horror movies. You might think that's strange, but I am a bit of a delicate flower, and very scary or psychological movies give me nightmares or terrible anxiety. So I guess I'm coming at this makeup collection just as someone who wants to explore the makeup. I watched the trailers of the films for a bit of inspiration, which confirmed that I probably should not watch them. Hands up if you do like scary films. Leave us a comment below if you're a horror film fan and which of the films in the Conjuring franchise you like the best. Which one's the least scary? Are there any that like I could watch without suffering afterwards? I'm sorry, but I think my camera's adding like a smoothening filter or something. Seriously, my face looks too smooth. I don't like it. There must be some way I can change this. Let's see if I can, yeah, hang on. Okay, I think that's got rid of it. Now I look my full, natural, ugly self. Let's see what we've got to work with here. The reason I've started with my face naked is because we've got a primer to try. Look at this primer! It does remind me a bit of that drink from the days of your Orbits. All the boxes and everything that these products came in look really cool and would look really super on your makeup table or vanity. And then the weirdest setting powder I have ever seen. Sanctified Seal setting powder. Look at that. The texture of it feels like jelly. In what universe is that powder? I've never seen anything like it. Here we've got the star of the show, which is the eyeshadow palette. Look at this. What's that called? Is lenticular the word I'm thinking of? Somewhere in the back of my brain. The colours are also cool. The main reason I was excited by this collection is that I really struggle to find cool colors, and I mean like cool toned, because that's what suits me, it's what I like. These are primarily cool toned by the look of it, so very much looking forward to getting into this eyeshadow palette. I've got a few sparkly ones here. This one looks nice. Possession. Wow. Whoa. Oh, it's so shiny. Next, there are two lipsticks. One's your classic black. This case is magnetic. Isn't that satisfying? So this is Valak's Vengeance in black. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the lipstick before we destroy it? And this one's called Annabelle's Curse. I feel like there's a lot of things here that look too pretty to use, but that's just silly. There are 3 eyeliners, which are also eyeliner stamps. I'm quite excited because they're different colors. Does it have a name? Black Mass. Yep. The black one has a crucifix on it, by the way, depending on how edgy you feel. Oops, I fucked that up. Ah, that's cute. Could do such fine details with these wee stamps. The other end is a normal like pen style eyeliner, which is my favorite kind. Demon's Mark. This one's a pentagram, I think. Ooh, and this one's purple. How exciting, a purple eyeliner. Ooh, oh that's fab. Look at that. The endless opportunities for creativity. I don't know what this symbol is meant to be. Hide and clap. Can anyone inform me as to what this symbol is? There is a highlighter, which is champagne colored highlighter. Music box highlighter. When the music stops, you'll see him in the mirror standing behind you. So that's our highlighter. Ooh, peachy champagne-y color. That's like a tiny little bit. Wow, that looks like it's gonna have power. Not many highlighters actually show up on my face, and I don't tend to suit ones that are peachy or yellowy. We'll see what that one looks like. There are 5 nail polishes. We'll look at those last. All the boxes have a quote on them or something. The court accepts the existence of God every time a witness swears to tell the truth. I think it's about time they accept the existence of the devil. Dark. Ooh. I'm wondering if it's going to make my face look like reddish or flushed. Perhaps a little bit. I feel like maybe I've used a bit too much. It's a lovely jellyish texture. Drying quickly, it's not sticky. It's got a slight sheen to it. I like it. My foundation went over it and adhered to it nicely. Looks rather good. Still has that slight sheen. Desirable glass skin look. Now we're going to try this. Underneath, it's got a little poof. I'm so confused. I've never seen anything like this before. Don't understand. What is this? Do I pat it? Or... I don't know if I was supposed to have smeared it like that. It's kind of like wax. Yeah, no, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I definitely shouldn't have done that. I've definitely taken too much off. I think you're really just supposed to do it like that. Oh, I sort of see it. One of the weirdest makeup products I've ever seen in my life. I feel so lost. I really don't know if I'm doing it right. It's so smooth. I was wondering if it was going to be like grey or something, but I can't see anything, but I can feel it. It's really smooth. What? What is this science? Definitely a cult. That's what it is. That isn't powder, but... What? That whole bleached brow look is very in at the moment. I don't need to do a bleached brow because my eyebrows are already white. If I leave them on or shave them off, it doesn't really look any different. It just makes it like smoother. This morning I shaved off my eyebrows thinking I'm gonna do makeup today, but I needn't have done so. I have decided to do a no eyebrow look. I'd quite like to try using one of the eyeliner stamps as an eyebrow. Let's just dip a brush in and have a play. I like that they've used the color palette kind of from the films. I always like to do what I call an underpainting layer around my eyes first. So let's start with oppression for my underpainting layer. Oh, it's just darker than I expected it to be. Maybe I should use a fluffier brush. Very smooth and nice. Quite a lot darker than I expected it was going to be. Ooh, it's almost black, that color infestation. I can't get over how shiny my face is. It's just got this lovely waxy finish almost. Like I keep sort of catching the shine. I like how it looks waxy, but not like sweaty or oily. Let's try Conjuring, because I love purples, plums, burgundies. That's my vibe. It's my favorite makeup color to wear. Let's go now. I love these colors. I love anything that looks like a bruise. That's my daily go-to vibe, is bruise, disease. I wonder if I can lighten it up a wee bit. There's a color called Salem, which is a bit, oh yeah, a wee bit lighter. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Bring that down. Blendy, blendy, blendy. I'm doing such a bad job. Shit. Look at these colors. It's so bruise chic. I like it. This has the potential to become my like everyday go-to palette. I'm serious. What I wanted to try was using these colors as for a bit of a contour. I've always used eyeshadows as contours because I really struggle to find cool toned contours. The temptation to do a blue contour. I shouldn't, but we'll try just a little tiny bit. Ooh, a lovely bloodless shade. Most of the people I've seen trying this palette have been using the blues in it to create like a kind of bright, colourful thing. No, there's so much potential for just looking creepy. It's so much better. I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm just gonna play. It's so tempting to go crazy with sparkles. I think I actually liked it better before I put the shimmer on. The matte was looking really good. I wasn't planning on using the blue. It really is the nice blue of Vans. I don't know why, but I'm actually the most nervous to do eyeliner. I am seldom nervous to do eyeliner, but also this is like such a big decision. I really want to try the purple one, but I also like the idea of brown, but then I think purple is more interesting than brown. Get a little bit closer. I want my eyebrows to be just one of the stamps. All right, let's try and get it nice and upside downy. Doing two I feel is like so risky. And the other one. How'd I do? It looked better in my mind. So purple. Well, I think the purple eyeliner looks amazing. I'm gonna go with Hide and Clap. This is extremely easy to put on. Get a wee bit of mascara on because my blonde eyelashes looks a bit weird. Oh god, I got it on my contact. Got mascara on my contact lens. It feels really horrible. Unfortunately, I'm not loving this eyeliner. It's cracking apart already, but as a stamp, I think that's super cool. Let's get on to the lipstick. I'm gonna go with the, what's it called? Valak's Revenge. I think Annabelle's Curse looks like it might be, that is a beautiful color, but not on me because I don't suit pink based reds. Red is my favorite color. It has to be an orange based red, you know, like a bloody red. A pink based red somehow just don't work with my face. A black lipstick suits everyone. Anyone remember the days when there was only bullet lipsticks? I know that Lethal Cosmetics lipsticks are, well, I know that their liquid lipsticks are very nice. It's so smooth, very easy to blend it. Oh, it's so soft. This is a lovely buildable black, right? Temptation to try and diffuse lip, but I am of the opinion that that looks good on no one. Sorry, that is my unsolicited opinion. I love this. Might return to the eyes, but I do quite want to try this highlighter. Potentially dangerous, potentially looks not good, potentially unnecessary because I feel like there's already so much of this nice waxy shine from, I guess, the primer and also the setting powder. How is it a powder? I think highlighters are best applied just with your finger. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so shiny. Whoa. Look at that, I have cheekbones. I suppose everybody's putting highlighter on their nose these days, aren't they? Oh, shouldn't have done that. That was a terrible idea. Slightly darker than my skin tone. It just looks like I've got a yellow blob on my nose now. Decision here, but I think I might actually just remove these eyelashes because I don't know, I think they're too big. Lovely color, just not really going on properly. No sir, I don't like it. I'm not super happy with my finished look, but I think that's just because I'm not very good at doing makeup. I think I got a bit overly excited with wanting to try all the colors and things at once. So I feel like I haven't done as good as I feel like I haven't done as good a job as I wanted to. What I like the most, obviously this eyeshadow palette is just so lovely. I love the colors. I don't usually wear blue eyeshadow and I even like the blues. Honestly feel like this would be one of my everyday go-to palettes. I mean it, just because I like that bruised, dead, tired look. I think I look very funny without eyebrows. I feel like I'm finished without false eyelashes and eyebrows. This lipstick feels like a lip balm. Like it's very moisturizing. I hope it stays on well. Like I said, they do know their lipsticks. I love the primer. I think that was a good primer and I mean it looks amazing. It looks like blood. Awesome. The highlighter is amazing, but really not my color. Oh, it looks so shiny. And this, I still don't understand it. I still don't know if I was using it wrong. So weird, so different, such a nice finish though. Yeah, I'm gonna practice with this. We'll have a quick look now at the, what's it called? Nail polishes. Oh my god, I have like baby brain or whatever. Here are some feeble stick-on nails that I have painted half black so we can see what each polish looks like over black and natural color by itself. This one is called Faith. Ooh, it's quite a lot thicker than I expected. I thought that one was going to be really sheer, but it's got a lot more color in it than I thought. This one is called The Haunting. Oops. God, I'm not very good at this, am I? Sorry. I expected that one to be a lot more rainbow sparkly, but it is actually quite ghostly, isn't it? And it looks more or less the same on both parts of the nail. This one is called Last Rites. Ooh. Looking at the bottle, I can't even tell what color it is. Ooh, that is elegant. It's like, here I am pulling my finger at you. Oily brown and burgundy-ish purple. It makes me think of like an old parlor room. Dark floral wallpaper or something. This one is called Lorraine. These are all actually nice and sophisticated. That's the word I want to use. I like this one very much. Lastly, the one that got my attention first is Seance. Ooh. Here I think the black boosts the subtle colours of it, but I think it looks nicest by itself, don't you? Which one do you like the best? Are any of these your vibe? I just want to clean this all off and start again because I just feel so inspired by this collection. You could do so many different looks and they're all gonna look cool. And I just want to play with it. I want to play with it. I want to do more things. Thank you so much to Lethal Cosmetics. You were amazing. I'm very proud of you. Look how far you've come. Can't wait to see what amazing things you come up with in the future. I think what's quite nice about makeup is that it's never the same twice, is it? It's like it's an ephemeral thing. It's like snow or a cake. Beautiful while it's there and then it's gone forever. Every single person who uses this collection will use it in their own unique way. Please subscribe to my channel. We'd love to have you here. As always, take care of yourself, be nice to each other, look out for demons, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.